What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we will be at the Goodwill bins where everything is bought by the pound. Let's go in there and see what we find. All right, found a lot of great things to start off. A lot of basic stuff that will sell between 15 to 30. Athleto shirts, a vintage starter Texas shirt. This nice Baylor windbreaker's nice. For pants, got basic ones, Levi's, some Nike pants, Ariat. All these good brands that sell fast. 7 for Mankind, Orbis, some Polo. These really cool plushes. This one needs a little bit of help, but I think I can sew that. And this little Pikachu's kind of dirty, but this one at Target costs like 40 bucks. People going crazy. I love the Goodwill things. Found a couple other stuff. This Reebok windbreaker jacket, I think I'm gonna keep for myself. Found a lot more like jeans. This Hollister skirt should give me like 10, 15. Some biker pants. Found Lululemon leggings. Lucky brand. These are like embroidered though. I think these should give me like at least 30. Some basic Levi's. And these 7 for Mankind bootcut jeans. Those should give me like 20. Oh yeah, I also forgot. Picked up this little iPod. Really cool. It was very hidden, but I was able to snag it. And this other guy got the same pair. We coin flipped and I won. And I'm glad because these are actually very good condition. Just need a good clean. These are the last things that I found before I'm heading out of here. These Converse, these are like the Harley Quinn ones. These are actually pretty cool. No laces. You already saw these. Found a Nike skirt. Some Madewell jeans. I do very good with these. These should give me like 30. Some American Eagle chinos. Should give me like 12. Wrangler Pearl Snap. It's gonna be a very good one. Easily 10 bucks. And a Madewell jacket. I know it's hot out now, but even if I have to hold on to it, it's fine. I should get like 30 for this. Just looking through what people threw back. I'm gonna take this Adams Golf RPM golf club. Check out the comp. All right, I ended up paying 50 bucks, and I should easily make $400 plus on everything I got. All right, guys, that is all that we found. Thank you for watching. Go ahead and like and subscribe, and I will catch you on the next one. Peace.